vloggy vlog. I look like a hot mess, so I'm trying to cover that up, but it's time to get this day started. I actually woke up pretty early today, and then of course laid there on TikTok and everything, just taking in most of the early morning. And now I'm about to go on a jog, and then I've been doing like a mile run. And I took yesterday off, which I kind of feel bad about, but it's okay. Then I'll probably treat myself to a smoothie, like actually go pick up a smoothie, which is actually gonna be so good. And then I need to come back here and get ready because, oh, sorry, wait a minute. I need to clean my entire apartment. That's actually the point of this video. And then I need to get ready, and then I'm going to lunch, which I don't really know what that's going to turn into. It might turn into like a rest of the day vlog, so I think that would be like a separate vlog, which would be very nice. So if this is something you're interested in, what everything I just said, then stay tuned and let's get into the video. So first of all, since I'm just going for a jog, I'm going to put my hair up. Hold on, actually we're gonna do like a little, I guess, ponytail moment. That works. And then slap a headband on. I haven't been to the gym in about a week because I decided to get into the swing of cardio. Okay, so I think I'm going to put these blue shorts on. They're inside out right now, and then this sports bra, and I was looking for a t-shirt, but I actually think I'm just going to put this jacket on. It's probably very cold outside. So before and after, and I actually switched tops. I switched, instead of the sports bra that I was wearing, into this like sports bra top that looks like that, and I love it. So yes, this is what I'm wearing, and I can go ahead and put on my tennis shoes and head out. This is literally my favorite place to do my mile jog. I love running next to the water, which is what I'm about to do. It's actually about a mile walk over here, but I've learned to kind of enjoy that because it's kind of like a little warm-up. Yeah, so I'm about to do my mile jog. I'll show you one last time. I'll show you the view again really quickly before I'm way too tired to show you. Hold on. So pretty. I love it so much. And I just realized they're down there where I typically jog too. Like I run through there, which is kind of going to be inconvenient. I'm gonna have to run up the stairs, so I'm just gonna have to add more to my jog. So I'm glad I'm already showing you guys this because I will definitely be too tired. A little over than a mile later, I had to add so much because whatever work they're doing down there, I had to run around them, run up the little hill right there. Fun fact, it's hard to run up a hill, especially when it rained yesterday. I almost slipped. But yeah, so I just added so much more to my jog, to my mile run, and I'm so exhausted. And not even just like so much more, like a whole hill. I never run up that hill, so that was exhausting. And it's like, it's not like this one where it's like, you know, there's a little dip. No, that hill over there is just like straight up. That was hard. But we did it, and we didn't quit. And I feel so good. And now I'm taking a little break right now. But I'm going to walk to the smoothie place and then get a smoothie and then head back to my apartment, and we're going to keep this productive morning rolling. I also realized in the last video, or one of my last October videos, I meant to start my calendar over, and now it's like almost October 15th. It's October 14th when I'm filming this, and I need to start the calendar over. I'm also filming Halloween this month, which is like videos every single day up to Halloween. So that is kind of going to be exhausting, but I already have ideas of what I want to film. I just need to write them down so I can remember. So I'm going to add that to my to-do list when I get home. But look at the fall foliage. I see it. You could kind of see it behind me as well, but like, look at it. It's so pretty. I love it, the way fall looks before the leaves fall. When the leaves fall, it's kind of depressing, but like, and the camera doesn't even do it justice, like, ow. At all. Let me try to darken it, lighten it. No, I don't really know what to do, but it looks a lot better than it does on camera. But I think the bridge is so pretty, and yeah, so freaking exhausted. I'm just so glad I took a thumbnail before. But yeah, let's go to the market before. I like to kind of walk while I'm tired too, and I just sit there. Don't forget to get your cardio in today. But this place is open. Da-da-da. So I'm gonna get a smoothie from them.
And it just comes with like a milk as a base. The tropical island smoothie is made with orange juice.
So it's orange juice.
So it's orange juice, tropical fruit, vanilla protein, and a handful of spinach.
Okay. Could I do the tropical one then?
Of course.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So I've actually never gotten a smoothie from them. Ooh, I'm sweating. Love that for me. I've actually never gotten a smoothie from them before, so I can do a little taste test for you guys. And then I really need to head back. Low-key, I'm kind of concerned with how it looks. It kind of looks like mushy avocado. But taste test time. I'm so concerned. Yeah, it's pretty good. It tastes like pineapples. I was concerned for nothing. So I'm back at my place now, and it's time for me to clean this mess up. This mess has been here for way too long, especially that suitcase. So we're going to clean this up. I have some clothes that I need to wash once I unload the suitcase. I also have some clothes that I already washed that are on this chair over here. I also already washed my sheets and everything, and that's in the dryer. So I need to put that on my bed. And I have a few dishes that I need to clean. So I have to do all that and also get myself ready and changed and all that stuff so that I can film. That's what we're going to do. And I don't really know where I want to start, but all I know is this smoothie was the best decision. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Oh yeah, I also need to change my planner, but I'll do that in a second. Let's start cleaning.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience.
Making up the bed already makes it look so much better in here. But now I get to tackle these clothes that I've been sitting here for like 2 days.
I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe.
Now for the annoying part, well, first off, clothes are done. I need to put this up. I've been procrastinating putting this up because I'm using this on my next trip, but like, girl, that trip is not for another month. So I can go ahead and put that up. And these are just some new shoes that I just bought. This one too. This is from my last trip. That's from my last trip. And then the clothes that are down here are from my last trip as well, / me trying to pick out an outfit for work. And these shoes literally just need to go in here. Like, it's so easy. But I need to unpack this suitcase, figure out what needs to go in the washing machine so I can start that. And I think I'll do that first. I'm just gonna assume all of this is dirty because I don't.
Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
Wait a minute. I just realized I haven't had any water today. Hold on. Okay, this part's easy. So before and after. Now I just need to tackle this part. I don't even know where to start because I do not have room for more shoes. I don't know why I keep getting more shoes. But anyways, I can show you like my new shoes and everything, even though I'm going to show you guys in a haul. Are they so cute? They're so cute. And then, yeah, I'll just save the rest of them for a haul. But yes, they're so cute. But no, genuinely, I cannot tell you why I continue to buy new shoes when I know I don't have the space for it. I just need to clean out my closet space and get rid of all of the shoes I don't wear, which honestly, I don't know if that's a lot or not, because some shoes I only wear to work and some shoes I wear not to work, so I don't know. But I just need to clear out my closet. Ooh, I like these. I'll probably wear these today. But right now I'm just clearing out my travel toiletry bag because my next trip will be on a flight, so I won't be able to bring like stuff like this anyway. I'm almost done. So I put up all of my shoes. Did I put them up neatly? No. But are they out of the way? Yes, they are. And that's all I can ask for now. Everything is up. I just need to sweep the floors now and move Passant back over here. But it seems like every time you think, okay, I'm done, you remember something else you have to do. Like I literally just remembered I have to wash these dishes. And I think I unloaded the dishwasher yesterday. Yes, I did. So that's good. So now I can just wash these dishes and then take my shower and stuff. Okay, so I decided I'm going to do the whole planning next, and we're already at the 15th today, and I don't really know how because this video already went up. I'm so confused. Hold on one second. All right, I figured it out. I just uploaded some stuff. Not a long schedule, but it's okay because it's fine. We're all caught up now, so this next video will be my sit down video. So yeah, basically what I'm about to do is go through and write down my video ideas before Hall Week comes, because then it's like back to back to back to back videos and I need to be prepared. All right, I have all my Hall Week ideas listed, and I'm not going to show you because I really want it to be a surprise, but I'm so excited. And yes, I think this year will be a little bit different from last year, just like the vibes of everything, but I'm definitely so excited. Okay, well, I don't really know what to do about this. Being able to see my reflection better. All right, so I think I'm going to do a little back bun. I'm just splitting this down the middle to give myself a cleaner line. That's pretty good. That's all right. And now I have my gel out, and this should actually be pretty easy since my hair is already wet and I put conditioner in it. And here's the final result of the bun. I think it's so cute, so classic. I kind of twisted it, like did a little twist and then wrapped it around. And here's what it's looking like. So cute. And now it's kind of dripping, it's kind of wet. And now I'm about to just wrap this and put on a cute top for the sit down video and for the TikTok. Yes, so that is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching and coming along with me for my morning routine. It's now 12:08, so it's lunchtime now, not morning. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye bye.